A heart stroke, commonly known as a heart attack or myocardial infarction (MI), occurs when blood flow to a section of the heart muscle is blocked, usually due to a blood clot. This blockage deprives the heart muscle of oxygen, leading to tissue damage or death if not treated promptly. Heart attack symptoms vary among individuals. Some may experience sudden, intense symptoms, while others have mild or even no warning signs. Below are the most common symptoms: a feeling of pressure, tightness, squeezing, or pain in the chest, usually in the center or left side. Pain may last for more than a few minutes or come and go. Pain may radiate to the arms, especially the left arm, jaw, neck, shoulders, back, and upper abdomen. Difficulty breathing even while resting or doing mild physical activity. Unexplained sweating, similar to breaking out in a sweat during exercise. Feeling sick to the stomach or actually vomiting, especially in women. Feeling faint or as if you are about to pass out. Unusual tiredness, sometimes even days or weeks before a heart attack. More common in women than men. A fluttering or rapid heartbeat may be felt before or during a heart attack. Some people experience a silent heart attack with minimal or no symptoms, often mistaken for indigestion or mild discomfort. Silent heart attacks are dangerous because they go unnoticed and can lead to serious complications later. Women may have different or additional symptoms compared to men, such as more nausea and vomiting, more jaw, neck, and back pain, and unusual fatigue and shortness of breath without chest pain. Preventing a heart attack involves lifestyle modifications, medical monitoring, and managing risk factors. Consume more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, excessive salt, sugar, and trans fats. Engage in at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise 5 times a week. Strength training can improve heart health. Being overweight increases the risk of diabetes, high blood pressure, and cholesterol, which are major contributors to heart disease. Chronic stress can increase blood pressure and lead to unhealthy coping habits. Manage stress through yoga, meditation, deep breathing, or hobbies. Adults should get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Poor sleep increases the risk of high blood pressure, obesity, and diabetes. Smoking damages blood vessels and increases the risk of plaque buildup in arteries. Secondhand smoke is also harmful. Excessive alcohol raises blood pressure and can contribute to obesity. Moderate drinking is 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. Maintain blood pressure below 120/80 mmHg. Reduce salt intake, manage stress, and take prescribed medication if needed. Uncontrolled diabetes increases the risk of heart disease. Monitor blood sugar levels, eat a healthy diet, and take medications as prescribed. Maintain LDL below 100 mg per deciliter and HDL above 60 mg per deciliter. Reduce saturated fats and include heart-healthy fats in the diet. Routine screenings help detect early warning signs of heart disease. Electrocardiograms, echocardiograms, and stress tests may be recommended if you have risk factors. Immediate treatment during a heart attack and long-term recovery measures can save lives and prevent complications. If a heart attack is suspected, call emergency services immediately. Delayed treatment increases heart damage. Chew an aspirin. It helps thin the blood and improves circulation. Perform CPR if needed. Once in the hospital, doctors may use thrombolytics to dissolve blood clots blocking arteries, antiplatelets to prevent further clot formation, beta blockers to reduce heart workload and blood pressure, ACE inhibitors to help relax blood vessels, and pain relievers and oxygen therapy to stabilize the patient. A balloon is inserted to open a blocked artery, and a stent is placed to keep it open. A blood vessel from another body part is used to bypass the blocked artery. A medically supervised program includes exercise, education, and lifestyle changes. Patients often need blood thinners, cholesterol-lowering drugs, and blood pressure medications. Strictly follow a heart-healthy diet, exercise plan, and avoid smoking and alcohol. Frequent monitoring helps detect any recurring problems. Heart attacks can be prevented by maintaining a healthy lifestyle and managing risk factors. Immediate medical intervention is crucial during an attack, and post-recovery care ensures a healthy life. Prioritize heart health by making informed choices, staying active, and getting regular health checkups.